Hello kids, welcome to Learner's Planet. Kids, this is our fourth session for addition topic. Till the previous session we discussed the addition of two-digit numbers. In this session I'll introduce the addition of three-digit numbers. Okay, now what exactly the addition of three-digit numbers? Now listen to me carefully. Suppose you write a number, say 123, right? Now that's the ones place, that's the tens place, and this is what is the hundred place, right? That is actually the place value of this is what 100, the place value of 2 is what 10, and this is 1, right? So what happens? 123 is actually 100 plus 20 plus 3, right? So when we add two three-digit number, what we do, we write down like this: 1 2 3, this is 100, 10 and 1s, and other three-digit number, suppose 3 2 5, right? So what we do, we write the numbers like this, then you add the numbers at ones place. So 5 6 7 8. Okay, similarly you add the numbers at the tens place, so 2 and 2 4, and similarly you add the numbers at the hundreds place, so 3 and 1 4. So addition is quite similar, okay, as we did in the case of two digits, right? So till here there is no problem, it is very similar to the previous one. But if there is a carryover, as we were having in the case of two-digit numbers, how do we deal? Okay, so we take one example when there is a carryover. So suppose I have to add 365 and 428. Okay, so this is a ones place, tens place and hundreds place, and you have to add 8 and 5 13. 8 is in your mind, 9 10 11 12 13. So 8 and 5 13. Write 3, 1 should be carried. Then 6 7 8 and this one 9. Okay, then 3 and 4. 4 is in your mind, 5 6 7. So it is 793. Now suppose you have any carryover over here at the tens place, then similarly you have to take the carryover over here. Okay, I take one more example. Suppose I have 643 and 585. Okay, first you write 100, 10 and 1. Now 5 and 3, 5 6 7 8. Then 8 and 4. So 8 is in your mind, 9 10 11 12. Write 2 over here and 1 should be carried. Okay, similarly 6 and 5. So 6 is in your mind, 7 8 9 10 11. So 6 and 5 11 and then 1 12. Okay, so addition of 643 and 585 is 1228. Okay, so this is quite similar to the addition of two-digit numbers. There is no difference. Okay, there will be three digits. If there are more than three digits, then also you have to proceed in the similar manner. Okay, so let's take some of the sums. Now kids, let's do some of the sums. I have written some of the sums over here and I have shown you my hands also. So how do we use fingers to calculate the numbers or to do addition, that I will show over here. These are the two hands and we have to do all the sums, right? Now 8 and 4. See, when there are three digits over here and two digits over here, just put a 0. Okay, so now this is also a three-digit number and you have put up a 0, so this becomes a three-digit number with the first digit to be 0, so precisely it is a two-digit number or only. Okay, now 8 and 4. Now what you do, 8 is in your mind, then 9 10, 11 and 12. Right? So what you do, you write 2 over here and 1 will be carried. Then 1 and 1, 2, 8 as it is. Okay, similarly 3 and 2, 3 is in your mind, 4 and 1, 5. So this is 5. 9 and 6, 9 is in your mind, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I write 5 and 1 will be carried. Then 9 and 1, 10. Okay, so you can use your fingers to add 0 and 7, 7, 9 and 1. So 9 is in your mind and 1, 10. Write 0 and 1 will be carried. 1 and 1, 2. Okay, 7 and 6. Now 7 is in your mind, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I write 3 over here and 1 will be carried. Then 7 and 7. So 7 is in your mind. Now count 7 more fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so 7 and 7 is 14. Then we have 1 extra. So 14 and 1, 15. I write 5 here and further 1 will be carried. So 4 and 1, 5. Getting my point? 0 and 7 is 7. 8 and 5. So 8 is in your mind and count up till 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 over here and 1 will be carried. 4 and 1, 5. Okay, so you can use your fingers to add 2 numbers. Okay, you have 10 fingers. You use all the 10, so you'll be able to do the sums very easily. Okay, now I'll show you some of the sums. You pause the session and you do all of them and then match your answers with mine. Okay, now you use your fingers and do all the sums from 6 to 20. Okay, just pause the session, do all the sums and then match your answers with mine. Now done. I write down the answer, you match. Put a 0. 6 and 3, 9. 7 and 1, 8, and this is 6. 7 and 3, 10. Put 0, 1 should be carried. 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. Write 1 and 1 should be carried. 8 and 1, 9. Okay, 8 and 3, 11. Write 1, 1 should be carried. 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10. Put 0 and 1 carry over. 5 and 1, 6. Okay, 4 and 8, 12. Write 2, 1 is carried. 9, 10, 11. Write 1 and 1 is carried. 5 and 1, 6. Okay, 8, 7, 1. 9, 6, 2. 1, 8 and 5, 13. Write 3 and 3 and 1, 4. 2 and 2, 4. 6, 6. 5, 8 and 4, 12. Write 2, 1 is carried. 1 and 1, 2. 5 and 5, 10. Write 0, 1 is carried. 4, 5, 6 and 3. 8 and 4, 12. Write 2, 1 is carried. 4, 5, 6. Then 9. 7. 4 and 3, 7. 3. 3, 5 and 1, 6 and 1. 4 and 1, 5. 8 and 1, 9, and this is 5. 8 and 3, 11. Write 1, 1 is carried. 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13. write 3, 1 is carried, 8 and 1, 9. Okay, so just match your answers. How many of them are correct? Just show it to your mama. Now, these are 15 more sums over here. Just pause the session and do all the sums. Just note down the sums one by one in your copy, notebook, and just try all of them, and then match your answers with mine. Okay, so just pause now. Okay, I hope you are done. So let's match your answers. 5 and 1, 6. 7 and 5, 12. Write 2, 1 is carried, 1 and 1, 2. 7 and 1, 8. 8 and 1, 9, and then 9. 8 and 6, 14. Write 4, 1 is carried. 9 and 4, 13, and 1, 14. Write 4, 1 is carried. 2 and 1, 3. Okay, you're matching. 8 and 7, 15. Write 5, 1 is carried. 9 and 5, 14, and 1, 15. Write 5, 1 is carried. 8 and 1, 9. Okay, then 0 and 9, 9. 6 and 2, 8, and this is 4. 8 and 4, 12. Write 2, 1 is carried. 5 and 1, 6 and 6. You're matching your answers. 6, 5 and 1, 6, and then 5. 7 and 5, 12. Write 2, 1 is carried. 8 and 1, 9, and 7 as it is. 3 and 1, 4. 3 and 5, 8 and 4. 5, 6 and 2, 8 and 7. 5, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7 and 1, 8, 4 and 4, 8 and 3. 5 and 4, 9, 8 and 1, 9 and 2 as it is. 6 and 1, 7, 7 and 4, 11. Write 1, 1 is carried. 5 and 1, 6. 7 and 4, 11. Write 1, 1 is carried. 8 and 5, 13, and 1, 14. 4 is here and 1 is carried. 3 and 1, 4. Okay, so how many of them are correct? Out of 15, how many of them are correct? Just write down your score and show it to your mama. Now we do some more sums. Again we'll be using the fingers. 9 and 1, 10. Write 0 and 1 is carried. 9 and 5. So 9 is in your mind. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And we have one carrier also. So 14 and 1, 15. Write 5 and again 1 is carried over. 3 and 1, 4 and 1, 5. Okay, see here you are having 3 digits, here 2 digits, so just put a 0 and solve as always. 9 and 7. So 9 is in your mind. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right? You are taking 7 fingers. So 9 and 7, 16. Write 6 and 1 is carried. 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. And 1 as it is. Okay? 8 and 3. So 8 is in your mind. 9, 10, 11. So write 1, 1 is carried. 7 and 1, 8 and 1, 9. Okay? 5 and 1, 6. 3 and 0, 3. 0 and 5, 5. 1 and 1, 2. Here 3 digits, 2 digits, put a 0 over here before the number. 7 and 3. So 7 is in your mind. 8, 9, 10. Put 0, 1 is carried. 3 and 7. Again 7 is in your mind. 8, 9, 10. And we have one carrier also. So 10 and 1, 11. Write 1 and 1 is carried. 1 and 1, 2. Okay, so it's very simple. I hope you can do it. Now kids, it's your turn now. You just copy the sums one by one in your notebook and do all the sums and then match your answers with mine. Okay, so just pause the session, and when you are done, then only you should play the session. Okay, so I'm writing down the answer. You just pause the session. No cheating. Now I have written down all the answers, so match your answers with mine. The first one's answer is 960. Say whether it is correct or incorrect. Okay, if it is correct, just give yourself 1 mark. If it is not correct, then just cross it. Then second, 454. Third, 290. Fourth, 521. Fifth, 895. Next, 537. Just match it. Then 647. Next, it's 251. Then 504. 744. Then next is 684. 661. 488. 802 and 365. So out of 15, how many marks are you getting? Just write it correctly and show it to your mom. So kids, we will be learning more in our next session. We'll be doing more sums. Okay, so do revise this session, and whatever the sums you have done wrong, do them once again, and this time you should do them correctly. Okay, bye bye.